Today we're making a really easy bread dip oil. It's like the kind that you might find at an Italian restaurant. Super easy to make, full of pantry staples, yet somehow it just elevates the dinner. It makes it seem a little fancier. I think you're gonna like it. So we'll start by adding garlic. Now you could mince it, but what's even better is to use a garlic press or a rasp style grater. It gets the garlic just a little finer, and so that way it can infuse into the sauce and no one ends up with just a bite of garlic. So we'll put that in to the press, give it a squeeze. And next we'll add extra virgin olive oil. Some dried herbs, basil, and oregano. A little pinch of salt, and a grind of pepper. And then give it a stir. Finally, we'll finish with some balsamic glaze. This is basically a balsamic reduction, so reduced balsamic vinegar that's now become a sweet, tangy syrup. It offsets the herbaceous quality just perfect. You can find this at any grocery store. I buy this at Trader Joe's, but it's available lots of places. Give it a swirl. And that's all there is to it. Serve this oil alongside some warm bread for dipping. It's a wonderful appetizer before a pasta dinner or alongside a salad. You can find the complete recipe at cadryskitchen.com. Dig in.